vertical milling machine that allows us to machine aluminum, plastic. We can do various different fixtures. First, our primary intention is to be able to machine out joysticks and do the joysticks quickly and meet the customer's demands, do prototypes right away. We want to be able to machine a joystick in 2 weeks or less instead of wait up to 6 weeks for our vendors to get some of the machining components done for us. We have some spacers that we needed to make. The shop technician came up to me and said he needed some spacers made immediately. We made them. Half an hour later, we handed them to the technician who was able to put it in the cab. Some of that operation might have taken a week for us to send out to a secondary vendor. We would have had to pay expedite fees for that component to get done, and we were able to turn it around in 30 minutes or less. The potential is pretty much anything: plastic, metal, aluminum, possibly get into steel, but anything that needs to be done, rapid prototype, we're able to meet the customer's demands as quick as possible. Vertically integrating your different operations within our company just allows us to get that much faster to the customer's design goals. If we're trying to test out a new concept and figure out if this is going to work or not going to work, we don't have to wait 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks sometimes to get parts made for us only to find out that they don't work. We have a 3D printer that we can run specific parts to get close, and then we can run the final part through better operation and get a cleaner pass on that function and put it into the customer's projects right away. We can take a 3D printed concept, prove it out, touch it, feel it, make sure that that's the right part that we want to, and then turn that into an aluminum housing or a handle or whatever component we actually need. We can turn that into a real part, put that into production, and use that.